locked up in here. All right, Missy. So I'm going to adjust the mid back first. So you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath for me. All the way out, girl. Good. Blow it all out. Good. Keep going. There it is. One more. Ooh. Perfect. We're going to bend the top leg for you, girl. Good. Give me that hand, and you're going to go like this. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Relax. 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 There it is. It's forward. Beautiful. And your hands are going to go like that. Deep breath for me. All the way out, girl. You did awesome. Relax. Relax. Good. There it is. Ooh. That sounds loud, right?
Yeah.
But it moved really. It didn't hurt, right?
No.
Okay, good. Let's go face up. All right, here we go. It's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna feel like. All right, relax as much as you can, girl. Beautiful. You okay?
Yeah.
She's like, ooh, dude. All right, one more time.